Hello students, in this video we are going to solve square root of 12 plus square root of 12 plus x, and this is equals to x, and here we will find out the value of x, and x belongs to real number. Here in left hand side we have square root, and we know that square root is defined only for positive numbers, and we know that square root of positive number is always positive. So it means left hand side is always positive, and if left hand side is positive, so it means right hand side should be positive. So it means x is positive real number. Now here we will apply my favorite method, that is substitution. If we substitute, this square root of 12 plus x is replaced by y, then square root of 12 plus x, this is equals to y. Then the given expression is square root of 12 plus, and this expression is replaced by y, then here y, and this is equals to x. Here if we take square both side, then square root of 12 plus x, this is equals to y, and if we take square here and here, then this square root is cancelled out by this square, then 12 plus x, this is equals to y square. And here if we take square both side, then square root of 12 plus y, this is equals to x, and if we take square in left hand side and right hand side also, then this square root is cancelled out by this square, then 12 plus y, this is equals to x square. Here we have 12 plus x, this is equals to y square, and 12 plus y, this is equals to x square. Let us consider this is equation number first and this is equation number second. If we subtract equation number second from first, then here minus minus minus, and this is plus 12 and this is minus 12, cancel out, then plus x minus y, and this is equals to y square minus x square. Now if we take all the expression in same side, then x minus y plus x square minus y square, this is equals to 0. Here x minus y plus x square minus y square, we know that the algebraic identity of x square minus y square is x minus y, x plus y times x minus y, and this is equals to 0. Here x minus y is common. If we take x minus y is common, then here 1 plus, and x minus y is common, then here x plus y, and this is equals to 0. Then here x minus y is multiplied by 1 plus x plus y is equals to 0. Here we will apply this rule, if a times b, this is equals to 0, this implies a is equals to 0 or b is equals to 0. If we apply this rule here, then x minus y, this is equals to 0, or 1 plus x plus y, this is equals to 0. Here let us consider this is case first and this is case second. Case first is x minus y, this is equals to 0, then we can say here x is equals to y, and we know that square root of 12 plus x, this is equals to y. Square root of 12 plus x, this is equals to y. Now here y and x both are equal, then in left hand side 12 plus x, and this is equals to, this y is replaced by x, and if we take square both side, then here take square and here square, then square root is cancelled out by this square, then 12 plus x, this is equals to x square. Now if we take all the expression in same side, then x square minus x and minus 12, this is equals to 0. This is quadratic equation in terms of x. Here we will apply middle term split. X square minus x is same as minus 4x plus 3x minus 12, and this is equals to 0. X square minus 4x, here if we take common x, then x minus 4, and here if we take common plus 3, then here x minus 4 and this is equals to 0. Then x minus 4 is common. If we take x minus 4 is common, then x plus 3 this is equals to 0. Here we will apply again this rule. If a into b this is equals to 0, this implies a is equals to 0 or b is equals to 0. Then here x minus 4 this is equals to 0 or x plus 3 this is equals to 0. Then here x is equals to 4 and here x is equals to minus 3. But students, we know that x is positive integer. We know that x is positive real number. So that's why this value of x is rejected. Here x is equals to 4 is accepted. Here x is equals to 4 is a solution of the given radical equation. Now solve case second. Case second is 1 plus x plus y and this is equals to 0. And we know that square root of 12 plus x this is equals to y. Square root of 12 plus x this is equals to y. Then here value of y is minus 1 minus x. Then here square root of 12 plus x and this is equals to this y is replaced by minus 1 minus x. Then here minus 1 minus x. Now if we take square both side, then in left hand side this square is cancelled out by this square root. Then here 12 plus x. And here if we take common negative sign, then 1 plus x bracket power 2. And we know that minus a square is a square. If we apply this rule in right hand side, then this is 1 plus x whole square, and in left hand side we have 12 plus x. Then here 12 plus x this is equals to, in right hand side we will apply a plus b whole square. A plus b whole square is a square plus b square plus 2 times ab. If we apply this rule here, then 1 square plus x square plus 2 times 1 into x. Then 12 plus x this is equals to 1 square, that is 1, plus x square plus 2 times x. Now if we take all the expression in same side, then x square plus 2x plus 1 minus 12 minus x and this is equals to 0. Here x square 2x minus x is plus x plus 1 minus 12, that is minus 11, this is equals to 0. X square plus x minus 11 this is equals to 0. This is quadratic equation in terms of x. Here by using quadratic formula we will find out the value of x. Value of a is 1, value of b is 1 and value of c is minus 11. And we know that quadratic formula is x is equals to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2 times a. Then x is equals to minus b and value of b is 1, then here 1 plus minus square root of b is replaced by 1 square minus 4 times a, that is 1, and c, that is minus 11, and divided by 2 times a, that is 1. Then x is equals to minus 1 plus minus square root of 1 square. We know that 1 square is 1 minus 4 times minus 11, that is plus 44, and divided by 2. Then x is equals to minus 1 plus minus square root of 55 divided by 2. Here values of x is minus 1, and if we take positive sign, then here square root of 5 divided by 2, and here x is equals to minus 1 minus square root of 55 divided by 2. Look carefully, this value of x is negative, and we know that x is positive real number, so that's why this solution is rejected. This value of x is rejected, and here x is equals to minus 1 plus square root of 55 divided by 2. This value of x is not satisfied the given radical equation, so that's why this value of x is also rejected. Here our solution is only x is equals to 4. This is our final answer. Students, if you like my videos, then please subscribe my channel, and thank you.